Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the numerical aptitude part which I have left earlier. The same series I'll continue over here as well. So going ahead with the next shortcut, the shortcut number 6, which is ratio and proportion. In that you need to use for the common factor s. Going ahead with the question, two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5 and sum of their square are 1025. Find that number. These type of question, they are very quick solver. You need to solve within a 15 to 20 seconds. So how you need to solve that? I'll go with both the method, by the conventional as well as shortcut. Whatever you have liked, you go with that, but make sure that you need to minimize your calculation of time for that particular questions. So the question was that two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5. Sum of their square is 1025. Find that particular number. So there is ratio particular number and sum of their square they have also given with a certain number. So how you need to do that? For addition of any of the ratio, you need to consider some x value so that the actual number does not affect the final. So consider x for the ratio like 4x plus 5x is equal to 1025. Similarly, if you square that, because as per the question these data we have taken, because they have mentioned that the sum of a square, that's why we will taken 4x is the one number and second number is the 5x, because these are in the ratio of 4:5. And if you put the square as per the question, you will get with the 16x square plus 25x square is equal to 1025. And if you solve, you will get the x square equal to 25 and x equal to 5. And put x equal to 5 in that assumption which you assume that these two numbers, and you will end up with the number with the 20 as well as 25. Going ahead with the next question, two numbers are in the ratio of 3:2 and cube of their differences is 125. You need to take a cube and you will end up with the 125. So find that particular number. So how you need to do that? Consider that the two number, that is 3x for the first number and 2x for the second number. If you consider, and as per the question, cube of their difference 3x minus 2x, and if you take a difference of that particular cube, you will end up with the 125, and then you will find the x equal to 5. Then particular number are 3x and 2x. You will get the x equal to 5 and the number was 15 and 10. So going ahead with the next type, that is ratio and proportion, in that the finding a number of coin in a bag. How you need to calculate it. So these type of question coming in different examination, mostly for the PSU examination. How you need to calculate. Before that, I'll just explain the basic things what is required for that particular type of question. So going ahead with that, how you need to calculate, how you need to get the idea this type of question having from the ratio and proportion of a coin side. So initially they have provided with the data like quantity and as well as value of that particular quantity. Suppose you have 3 coins, 1 rupees coin having 2 rupees coin, and you have a 5 rupees coin. In that 1 rupees coin having quantity of 10 and 2 rupees coin having quantity around 15, and similarly for the 5 rupees having quantity around, suppose consider 10. So there are total value of that particular quantity, then 1 rupees quantity having value 10, then 10. Similarly for the 2 rupees having quantity about 15, that 15 to the 30. Similarly for the 5 rupees and having 10, suppose if you multiply, you will get the 50 rupees. And if you add all these three quantities, then you will land up with the 90. That is the total quantity along with the total rupees which you have received from the total amount which they have mentioned in that particular questions. So I think you have get the idea about that, what was the value and how you need to calculate the quantity of each coin along with the value of that particular quantity. So going ahead with the question with which I have taken from that, the question is says that a bag of contains 5 paise, 10 paise and 20 paise coin in the ratio of 2:4:5. Total amount in the bag was 4.50 rupees, and how many coins are in the 20 paise? So similarly you need to multiply the ratio and what was the value of that particular. So 2 into 5, that is 10 pieces, and similarly for the 4 into 10 and 5 into 20, you will get around 150 paise. And if you get the around 150, and if you find the total factor, that is common factor x, like here which I have explained you earlier, the quantity Q1, Q2, Q3 they have mentioned in the question. Similarly for the value V1, V2, V3 which they have mentioned, if you multiply, then you will get the idea about was the Q1, V1, Q2, V2 and Q2, V3. You will total amount that what required for that particular things. So if you get the common factor x, then what you need to take care about it, t which you have calculated over here, and what was the total amount which is mentioned in a question. Going ahead with that, then you will calculate the total quantity of each coin by multiplying q1 x1, q2 x2 and q3 x3. Similarly, if you put all the data as per the question which I have explained you, 2:4:5, and if you put that, they will get the idea about the total amount which is going to be around 150 paise. If you convert these paise into rupees, then you will get the idea about the total rupees. And in a question they have mentioned that the amount in the bag was 4.5, and if you divide 4.5 with the amount which you have calculated it, then you will get around x equal to 3. For the quantity of 20 coins in the bag was 5, because this is mentioned in a question itself. If you haven't have idea, then you can check here. These are the coin which is mentioned in the questions, and you need to multiply the x which you have calculated over here, and if you put that, then you will get the idea about the total quantity of 20 pieces is mentioned in a bag. Any other information, do mention in comment box. If you like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.